Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to estimate mu when population variance is known and unknown. First, let's see there's a sample of 100 numbers. We need to find out 95% confidence interval for mu. And we calculate the alpha is 1 minus 95%. There are two conditions. The first one is when sigma is known, that means when population variance is known, and the second is when the population variance is unknown. And let's do it one by one. If the standard deviation is given in the question, how we do it? We go to add in, data analyze plus, we use the estimate mean. Because we need to estimate mu, so we use estimate, not test. And we choose the range number from the first row to the last one. Standard deviation is given by the question is 8. And as we just include the first row sample, it's label, so we click labels here. Alpha is what we calculated. So okay, we copy the result here. And what we need to pay attention is this one. We often keep 2 decimals, so we need to calculate to keep 2 decimals. And the interpretation is there is a 95% of chance that the interval contains the population mean. I will enter the number. We can also use formula to calculate. The formula is here, and first we need to calculate the average mean. We use average function. And there is, we can refer to the sheet given by our teacher. Here is 1.96. And then we need to calculate the lower confidence limit. We need to pay attention that it is minus. So minus C multiple sigma given by the question and square size. And upper confidence limit is the same, but we need to pay attention, we need to change the minus to add. Divided by square. So that is the result, they are the same. So that means we do it correctly. So how about when sigma is unknown? That means when population variance is not given in the question. How we deal with it? We need to use t estimate mean. We also go to adding, data analyze plus. We use t estimate mean. Here, t estimate mean. Okay, we input the range, also the same, from the first row to the last one. because we include the first row, we take labels, and alpha is what we calculated before. Okay, we get the result here. And we also need to keep 2 decimals. And interpretation, there is a 95% of chance that the interval and the number we calculated. Contains a population mean. We can see that if population variance is known or unknown, the results are different. So we need to pay attention and use the correct one. That is all for this video. Thank you.